Pasyal tayo, libutin ng mundo, magawak-hawak ng kamay.
We concluded our short trip to Cotabato, and now it's time for us to go back to Manila. Since our hotel is near the airport, we will just take a multi-cab across the road. A few minutes after, we reached the entry point to the airport and we took a motorcycle taxi.
Good morning and welcome back to Pasyal Tayo. We are here right now in Cotabato Airport and today we will be flying back to Manila. So come and join us. Let's go.
So this is the Cotabato Airport in Barangay Awang. It's a bit small and as you can see, only Philippine Airlines operates in the airport as of the moment. Pre-departure area in the airport is filled with wide benches and a few stores selling some snacks and last-minute souvenirs. The area is well ventilated with good tarmac view. Enjoying and relaxing, it took my mind away for a bit. And in no time, the plane from Manila arrived in front of us. Now, it's time to board the aircraft. Inside, there was a condensation filling the entire aircraft.
Okay, so we are now on board our flight going back to Manila on board an Airbus 320 Series 200 aircraft. This is PR2960.
The legroom is big since we are in the exit row. And in no time, the safety demo was shown. After that, we started taxiing towards the runway. And moments after, we started our takeoff roll. Let's enjoy. Snacks were served mid-flight, and we were greeted with a clear skies along the way. Soon, we reached Luzon Island, and finally our approach from the Rizal area. Let's enjoy our landing. now disembarking and we enjoyed our flight with Philippine Airlines from Cotabato Awang to Manila. We're just waiting for our bags to arrive and let's conclude this travel.
So again, welcome back to Manila, and this was our flight from Cotabato City to Manila Ninoy Aquino International.